Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is nomenclature. Nomenclature is not a big rocket science. It's just simply naming the organisms. Nomenclature means what? It is a system for naming the things. Either they are living things or non-living things. In biology, the nomenclature is a formal system of naming species of things. Formal names were given to the things. Either they are non-living things or living things. They are given a particular name. They are also known as the scientific names or the biological terms for the species. Who gave the scientific names to the things? Carolus Linnaeus, who is also known as the father of taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is also known as the father of taxonomy, who adopted the nomenclature in 1707 to 1778, that composed of two basic parts. The nomenclature has two basic parts. One is the genus, other one is the species. The genus and the species have derived from Latin grammatical forms. Those are derived from the Latin grammatical forms, or we can say the Latin names. The names. Now we'll read about the genus and species in nomenclature. What is the use of genus and what is the use of species in nomenclature? Genus is a group into which the animals or the plants that have similar characteristics. In genus, they having the similar characteristics are divided. Genus having similar characteristics. Species is what? It is a group of plants or animals that can breed together. They are breed together. They are brought up together. Those are classified under species. The genus and the species together forms the nomenclature or the binomial nomenclature. That is having genus and species. Now we will see how the genus and species are used in nomenclature. Let's take the example of human beings. The scientific name for human being is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Homo is the genus name and sapiens is the species name. It is consist of two parts. The Homo sapiens, the Homo part is called as the genus and the sapien part is called as species. How can you remember this? You can remember simply by genus is always starts with the capital letter. Genus always starts with the capital letter. And species are italicized. They are italicized. Species are always italicized. Let's understand why we need nomenclature. Why naming things or naming organism is important. Naming organism is important to organize and classify the organisms according to their characteristics. According to their characters, the nomenclature is organized. Next, the names of unique characters according to the creature. Nomenclature divides the unique characters of the creatures accordingly. Next, scientific names are standardized and accepted universally. Universally, it is accepted by everyone. The nomenclature is, that's why the important feature of naming the organisms. Let's see some scientific names for the organisms. Humans are called as Homo sapiens. Scientific name for dogs is Canis familiaris. Scientific name for cats is Felis catus. Scientific name for cattle is Bos taurus. Scientific name for lion is Panthera leo.
Scientific name for horse is Equus caballus. Scientific name for tiger is Panthera tigris. Scientific name for mango is Mangifera indica. Scientific name for apple is Malus domestica. There are a number of names in taxonomy we'll discuss in further classes. Thanks for watching the video. Our next biology topic is cell biology.